Hey, what's going on there? Leo here, and today's video I'm gonna be talking about 4 ways you can do to battle bad reviews on Yelp. If you own a local business, more than likely you heard horrible stories about Yelp, or you probably experienced this yourself. Now, either you like it or not, you have to be aware that at any time your business is more than likely going to be listed at Yelp, either because you added yourself, or anybody that is a registered member can go on Yelp and add information about your business or update information about your business. So let's face it, right? If you have a local business, more than likely, might as well have your business listed in there, because otherwise somebody else will do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Yelp has a huge database of reviews. I was reading an article that said that they have 184 million reviews worldwide. And because of that reasons, they have millions of consumers who trust the site to see what businesses are available in their area and to compare the ratings, right, of the different businesses and competitors. Now, unfortunately, we don't know if a lot of these horror stories are truth or not. I mean, I haven't experienced it myself. There are definitely numerous of accusations that Yelp representative will actually pressure businesses or business owners to pay for advertising in exchange, or with the threat, right, that they're gonna suppress their good reviews and boost their bad ones if they don't get their advertising packages. Um, Again, all these accusations, we don't know if they're actually true, right? A lot of those are not really confirmed, or they are actually dismissed when they go to court. But it's important to be aware of the situations that may happen. So if something happens to you, make sure to report it, share it, right? If you listen to something that a another business owner in your area may be experiencing, go ahead and share it as well, or talk about it. Um, Now, just to be clear, the video that I'm doing right now is not to bash on Yelp, because we certainly use it, right? The clients that I work with certainly use it and get benefits from it, because obviously they have a lot of good reviews. Obviously, they have bad reviews as well, but they have several more good reviews where people are able to see that this is actually it's a good place that they're gonna feel confident to go and try it at least, right? Um, while there may not be much you can do in regards how the Yelp algorithm works, meaning decide which reviews will be considered recommended and which ones they may hide, because this happened, if in case you didn't know. There are several things you can do to restore your reputation, and here are a few things that I'm going to be sharing, and actually four to be exact. So, number one, you can ask Yelp to remove a review. So, you should do this if you feel you are confident in reference to a review possibly being incorrect, or a review possibly being planted by a competitor. All you need to do is basically contact Yelp and open a case, and they will go through a review process, and they will decide if they remove it or not. A lot of times, if they find that the reviews violate their policies, the rules and regulations, obviously they will go ahead and remove it. But it's important that you familiarize with their rules and regulation, so you have a valid case. Number two, you may reach out to the reviewer directly, because on Yelp you can do this, right? You can reach out to the reviewer and act very professionally, right? Act very professionally. Listen to them. Address the issue if this is a valid issue. Perhaps you may want to invite them to come back and treat them with something special, to see if they actually may change their opinion. Obviously, you're not gonna go there bribing, right? Simply make sure that simply invite them to see if they will give you another opportunity if they truly have a reason to be mad. Plus, take advantage of this situation and try to educate them, right? Would you please, next time that you feel that something is not right, please let us know while you are at the location, so we can actually do whatever is possible or as much as we can to make your experience better. All right, number three, you can improve your rating in other site or on other sites. So Yelp is not the only site that exists out there. You have sites like that are big and very popular, like Facebook and Google. So if everything seems hopeless with Yelp, just keep that in mind, right? That you have other options. And number four, you can turn a situation into a positive one. So if somebody, for example, provides you a constructive criticism on Yelp, you can let them know. And publicly, you can let everybody know that you are actually addressing the issue. You may even go on social media and share your findings, right? Hey, we have this situation with this client. They pointed out, and we are going to take ownership of it. We realize that this is true about this concern about this client, and this is what we're doing to fix it. That obviously is going to lead you to be sincere, right, with your customers. Now, this is all for today. Hopefully, one of these uh, things that we shared today about how to battle bad Yelp reviews may help you. If you find it helpful, please subscribe, give a like to the channel, or the page where depending where you're watching this. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Now, last but not least, if you feel that you can use some strategies to attract local customers, I made a free video of 10 effective and proven ways that I've used with my clients, and it doesn't mean that I use it all the time, but that I use that may help you attract more local customers. Plus, it comes with the workbook that you may be able to use to follow along with the video training. It's a free video training. All you have to do is click the link below or above, or simply head out to digitaltrack.co /10 proven ways. All right, have a good one. Bye.